What a perfect day! Just me and absolutely no trouble in sight. And the weather is perfect for a stroll in the forest. Hey, what's going on over there? Hello? Is anybody there? Oh, come on! I know I saw someone. That is so weird. There was somebody for sure. No! Help! Help me out! You can take all my candy. Just let me out.
We didn't mean to scare you. We are sorry. We just didn't know how else to ask you for help.
Aw, you are so adorable. What do you need?
We don't have a home. We live here in the forest. Maybe you could help us out?
Oh, of course.
Yay! Oh.
Sue, we have a situation. It's a team effort, and you are the most valuable player.
Most valuable player, huh? This better be good. So what's up, Sam?
Meet our new friends. These cuties need a new home, and I promised we'd help.
We want to help you guys. Got anything shiny? I can decorate my room myself. Just give me a quiet corner to make a barn and I'll be happy. I'd like a top floor room, please.
They need the best house ever. So, where do we start, Sue?
From the beginning, of course.
Let's get to business. Scissors are here.
And I've got sparkly thingies.
Here's some paper. We could use it, right? Oh no! Do we need anything else to build the house? Sorry, friends. We have a scotch tape too.
Thank you, guys. But I've got it from here, okay? Let's deal with cardboard. Sam, can you hold this steady for me?
Oh, sure thing. We need to make the main pieces first. The walls, the roof, and the floors. Remember to be careful with the cutter, Susie.
I will, Sammy. Thanks for the help.
Oh, my help will never end.
Whoa, that's some speed. Way to go, Sammy. I really like sparkly things.
We're officially in the foam paper phase. It's like giving the house a cozy sweater.
That's some imagination. Now, let's use glue. A lot of it, actually. There. And this foam paper goes onto the cardboard wall. We need to do the same with the rest of the foam paper to define where the rooms for our pet friends will be. And the last one. Great!
I'll take care of the rest, Sue. Slime magic. Don't fail me now. Yay! It worked!
Now let's put everything together.
Oh, I love these magical colors!
Me too! And I simply adore this color palette. Here we have cute little windows for each room. Very convenient, right?
You bet! Now, just give me a sec. Ha! Everything is top-notch!
It's really happening! I can't believe it! I want to decorate. When are we gonna decorate?
Be patient. First, we need to finish all the parts of the house, okay?
The first phase is officially slime approved. The honorary slime has spoken. Whoa! This thing is huge! Where do I... Sue, help! Who set a trap here? Hail Tibidaba, I'm all right.
That's the main thing, Sammy. Oh, you've outlined everything. Oh, honestly, someone's better to clean this up. And I will get back to work. Sammy, you here?
I'm cleaning up, don't you see?
I only wanted to say I'm done cutting.
Already? That was fast. Achoo! Sorry about that. Gotta go clean my nose.
Oh, Sammy, I hope you're not getting down with something. Whoa! Look what you've done! Cool!
I mean, that was my plan all along.
Don't we need window frames? I'm made a few, just in case.
Wow, amazing! Well done!
I think we need a balcony too, you know, for dramatic slime speeches.
You do remember we're not building this house for you, right?
I know that, but I can come to visit, can't I? Hey guys, do you mind if I come to visit you in your new house? I promise I won't stay for too long.
She meant to say, we don't mind.
Aha! See? Everybody loves me.
Can't argue with that.
I still think the balcony was a great idea, though.
Okay. Maybe next time. Now let's attach these. Here we go. 1 and 2.
Let's help Sue and attach the rest. Let's. Just be careful, okay? Okay. So heavy. Whoa, easy. Oh no. Oh no. Did we break it?
Nobody moves! The investigation will reveal everything. Well. What's going on here? Who dropped the floor?
It wasn't me. Cat did that. What? No.
Let me check. My police officer skills have never let me down. Officer down!
I gotta go.
Hey, you were supposed to help me get up. Friends, don't worry. It was just a joke. Everybody's fine.
And the last one. Done!
Yay!
Amazing!
So, what's next? I see. Here, let me take this to Sue. Spider attack! Oh no, they're coming for me!
Oh, Sammy, you're such a drama queen.
If you only knew what I'm going through.
Anyway, let's deal with the roof.
Attention, dear pet friends! We are practically at the finish line with our construction. I have a special assignment.
For us?
Sammy, what are you up to? I'm doing well on my own here.
No, you're not. I mean, you are. But we still want to help you. So, who's ready for that special assignment?
We're here! We are going to help you with the roof, Sue. Oh, are you sure we are doing it right? Of course! Just pull it! Whoa!
What was that? Spiders again?
Don't worry, Sammy. You are spider-proof. After a little heating, the foam paper becomes stretchy.
So, can I draw the shingles now?
No, I can draw the shingles now, but thanks for the marker. Hiya! Let the professional do his thing. Okay, this is boring. I'm done here.
Lazy! I guess I'll just have to do it myself.
Not lazy, Sue. It's lunchtime.
I'm hungry for lunch too. What?
Oh, what happened, sweetie?
There's someone with huge ears over there. I'm scared.
Huge ears, huh? I think I know those ears. They're for the roof. See? Ah, here you are.
I'm a big cat with a big nose.
You're so funny.
Guess what I've got?
Nicely done, Sammy. Here come the cat eyes.
Don't forget about the roof base. It will make it sturdier.
Now that's what I call team effort. Hey guys, you can pick your rooms.
This will be my room. And this will be mine. I'm going to live here.
Yay! Everybody has their own space now. Let's move on to the interior. Behold, the grand elevator is coming. How else would they reach top floors? Duh.
Good thinking, Sammy. That's more like it.
Hey, is this for the elevator too?
Nope, it goes right here. Oh, wait, we forgot that we made a little decor for the pets' rooms.
Wow, this room is gonna look like the sky.
One more thing for that room. Hey, kitty, come check it out.
Wow, this is great. Wow, I love my new room. Can my room look like a meadow?
Sure. I hope these will be enough. Oh, where did this picture come from? Sammy?
Yeah, it was me. I thought it would be a nice touch to the meadow room.
Oh, I can't wait to get into my new room. Wow, and a slide too? Thank you, guys. I can't live without marrow bones.
Your wish is my command. And here's a poster for you, dear.
Oh, you are done already? Wow, I love it.
Wait, this is yours too. Here you go.
Why is it taking so long, Sue? I can't wait to see all the rooms.
All right, let's speed things up.
Whoa, great job, Susie! Hey guys, come check out your rooms too!
We are already here, and we love our rooms.
I'm so happy for you, and maybe a little bit jealous. Friends, are you ready to check out this house one more time? Let's do it! All right, everyone, tea time! Come join me in front of the house.
I'm so ready for this.
Meow.
Yay! I'm going down. The elevator works great. Come on, guys, hurry. I'm coming. Me too.
I've got just the story to tell you guys. One brave hero slime was walking through the forest when suddenly, BAM! A giant net fell right on top of him. But it wasn't a trap. It was a call for help.
Hey, I think he's talking about himself.
When that hero realized the little pets needed his help, he built this house all by himself.
Are you sure you are telling the story right?
Of course. Of course, Sue helped too. And the pets helped too, a lot. Oh, ouch. And naturally, it all couldn't have been done without you, friends. Yeah. So now, like this video and subscribe, and see you soon.
Oh, Sammy. Friends, thank you for being with us today. We hope you like this house as much as we do. Bye!